Consider the following statement with the reference to the Justice Party. The Justice Party opposed Congress by calling in a Brahmin-dominated organizations. It claimed a same communal representation for non-Brahmin as the Marley Minto reform had given to Muslim. Both after option is correct. Both statements are correct. So A option is correct. Next question. Consider following statement with reference to the Workers and Peasant Party. The Workers and Peasant Party was formed in 1927 and was given as a form of an All India organization. The objective of this party was to work within the Congress so that it could be made a more revolution inclined party and an organization of the common people. Only two option is statement correct, so D option is correct. Consider following event and arrange them in chronological order. East India Association, National Indian Association, Indian Society, Indian Association. Select the correct answer from code given below. Directly 1, 2, 3, 4 is correct. D option is correct. Consider following event and arrange them in correct chronological order starting from the earliest to the last activity. Royal Indian Navy revolt, announcement of cabinet mission, formation of interim government, arrival of a UK parliamentary delegation in Delhi. Select the correct answer from code given below. 4, 3, 2, 1. Firstly happened arrival of UK parliamentary delegation in Delhi. 4. After that 3, formation of interim government, and after that announcement of cabinet mission and Royal Indian Navy revolt. 4, 3, 2, 1. A option is correct. Now we are going to next question with the reference to the Age of Consent Act 1891. Consider following statement. It was Behram Ji Malabari, a Parsi reformer from Bombay, who advocated for this legislation. This statement is correct. The act was supported by the extremist wing led by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. No, this is not true. Only one statement first is correct, therefore C option is correct. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other as regions. Assertion: Shivaji had faced opposition from the big